Hello, welcome back to Think Big Digital. Today we are going to learn how to make infographics in Canva. For that, we need to understand what an infographic typically is. It is usually a combination of text, images, icons, charts, or data visualization. First, we have to start with a template. Go to create section and add any dimension that you want. Now on the left side you can see design. Just go to design and tap for infographic. Here you will see what I was talking about, infographic. So these are the things where charts and text and images are included. So we're just going to use one of the free templates. Then you need to structure your layout. You can add headers, you can add the borders, which is this line. Then you can add the visual hierarchy. You can use higher or lower, larger or smaller fonts for headings, and for details you can use this kind of small fonts, and you can highlight the key points, and you can also use the arrows if you want. You can also add visual elements, like you can add charts or graphs, icons. Let's say we will take a template which has a chart. Add a new page. You can see, even if this is not a actual proper chart, but here is a different kind of design that they have provided in Canva. There are different kind of square shapes, rectangle shapes, and there are different kind of elements as well. Now you can also go for different kind of image related infographic. You can upload your own or use Canva stock photos, and you can also use the background remover if you are a pro feature account. You can use the text effectively. You can use short text. You can have the font pairing or text boxes like this. Now to make it look more fantastic, you can use the animation. Right here you can choose all of the elements and go to animate section, and you can choose rise or pan or fade as you like. I think the most beautiful thing can be rise. You can see how beautiful it looks on my design, and as per as your need you can choose the text and fonts, and also maybe the brand color. Here you can see there are two colors only, which is their brand color, which is kind of a light purple color, and orange. You can also add grids or alignment. You can also add your logo and brand colors. You don't leave room for the design to breathe, which is the white space. Avoid too much text or cluttered visuals. Follow the steps to create a great infographic. Streamline. That's it for today's video. We will see you in the next tutorial. If you like our video, please give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.